Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Kumar Saini and I am working with Integrated Research and Action for Development. In short, it is also called IRADE. IRADE is based in New Delhi, India and is working in six thematic areas, and one of the areas is energy and power system. We have been working in the South Asia region since 2012 and we are primarily working into promotion of cross-border electricity trade among the regional partners.
Presently, we are undertaking a study on implication of declining cost of solar, wind, and storage technologies on regional power trade in South Asia region, supported by EEG. In this study, we are developing a regional electricity model comprising of Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, and Nepal. And this regional electricity model will be running on various scenario assumption with cost decline for RE and storage technologies. The key question that we are going to address through this study will be the impact of these cost decline on the regional power trade in terms of annual quantum, seasonality, and hourly trade volumes. We will also analyze the implication on the realization of regional hydro potential, then also the capacity requirement for transmission network, regional capacity mix, fuel consumption by the power sector, as well as the CO2 reduction for the whole region. Some of the key political economic issues for cross-border power trade in South Asia region includes lack of trust among trading partners. One of the good example is India-Pakistan relationship. Coordination issues due to different regulatory regimes, change in political understanding with changing governments, sovereignty concern among the partners, and a fear of long-term commitment. If we look at this table, we can clearly see that India stands at a good position in terms of RE penetration compared to the rest of the trading partners, whereas they all face some or other key technical and commercial challenges. In terms of political economic challenge, India does not have any major rent seeking issue because they have competitive bidding. However, they face political clientelism because of the center and state government issues. And they also face coordination issues because of the weak financial condition of the discoms. A typical questions that discom always poses is who is going to bear the RE integration cost in India. For Bangladesh, I believe rent seeking could be an issue for RE deployment because there are multiple government parties involved in power generation and they have developed a huge value chain around this. They do have coordination issues for integration of RE in this grid. For both Bhutan and Nepal, the political economic challenges for RE deployment are very similar because the setup of power sector in both the nation is very similar to each other, having a major government share in the power generation business. And they both are typically hydro rich nations, and their power generation is based on hydro capacities.